Hello everyone, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is crunchy and delicious pomfret rava fry. It can be served as side dish or as a starter. So let's start the preparation. First of all, let's make green chutney. For that required ingredients are 4 to 5 garlic cloves, small piece of ginger, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 to 4 green chillies. Now add all the ingredients into a mixture jar. Coriander leaves, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, ginger, green chillies, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now add half teaspoon of salt and close the lid and blend it into fine paste. Now to the chutney add half teaspoon of corn flour and mix it well. Corn flour helps in binding. Here I have taken 3 pomfret slices. Clean it and marinate the green chutney to the fish slices and rest it for 30 minutes. You can also marinate it with turmeric powder, chilli powder, ginger garlic paste and salt. Now heat pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, so here I have taken rava crust. Coat the fish slices into the rava crust and shallow fry it in medium flame. Coat all the fishes in rava or semolina and fry it. Fry it evenly all the sides. So the tasty and crunchy pomfret rava fry is almost done. Turn off the flame and serve it. So friends, hope you all liked my video. Try out this recipe friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Until then, happy cooking.